India is taking rapid strides towards its vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is proving to be a transformative catalyst in this rise. At Vishwakarma, we are ready to play a constructive role in India's progress. Be it the Vishwakarma Institute of Technology or Vishwakarma University, AI forms an integral part of our learning infrastructure. Across our campuses, we have set up state-of-the-art labs. Our NVIDIA and IFM automation labs are the epicenters of AI-driven research and automation. We have established multiple centers of excellence in diverse areas. These centers of excellence work closely with subject matter experts from leading companies. Our teams work on real-world problems to develop AI-led solutions across sectors and industries. These collaborations have yielded several promising projects and outcomes. Our faculty and students continuously undertake AI-related trainings by industry mentors. Our students are challenged to sharpen their skills through AI boot camps and hackathons. EduPlus Campus, our homegrown platform, leverages AI to deliver intuitive learning and ERP solutions. Moreover, our curriculum is fully aligned with national education policy guidelines, with AI seamlessly integrated across disciplines. Vishwakarma Group sees education as an enormous tree that nurtures its students. At its roots is academic excellence. The roots grow into a strong trunk made up of well-rounded learning resources. And at the top is a canopy of outcomes that help drive growth and nation building. From classrooms to nation building, Vishwakarma is ready to contribute to India's AI workforce.